Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Shopify business without a company. Many people think you need a registered company to sell online, but that is actually not true. You can operate as an individual or a sole proprietor. Shopify lets you collect payments and sell legally in most regions. You can start by creating a Shopify account and choosing a plan that fits your needs. Even without a company, you can get access to essential features to run your store professionally. Enter your personal name and address if you don't have a company. Make sure your email and contact information are accurate. Shopify uses this info for invoices, payments, and notification. So accuracy is important in this part. Even without a company, you can use Shopify payments. Let's go to settings, or you can also use PayPal. Provide valid personal information and bank account details to start accepting payments here. This step is essential for receiving money from sales. Then let's go back to the dashboard. Add your products on the Products tab with clear images and detailed descriptions. A clean and organized store builds trust with customers even if you're not a registered company. Focus on professionalism in layout, colors, and fonts. Then, if you're now editing your theme, make sure to include pages such as a clear refund, shipping, and privacy policy. Shopify requires this, and they help your customers feel confident buying from you. Check if local laws require a tax ID or VAT number. Some countries allow individuals to sell without a company, but you may still need to register for taxes depending on your location. You can go to google.com, check on the region where you would like to sell your products, then check for local laws on tax ID and VAT numbers. Finally, launch your store and start marketing. Use social media, SEO, and simple ad campaigns to reach your first customers. Even without a company, you can grow and scale if you focus on good products and excellent customer service. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.